Welcome to Work From Home Opportunities for You. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you. Hello and welcome to another best remote work from home job just for you. Today we're going to be talking about the Little Company, and they're looking for a remote beauty copywriter and blog writer, and it pays $20 an hour. Do you love all things beauty and marketing? We're looking to hire a knowledgeable, trendy beauty writer for our beauty clients' blog and email marketing and digital marketing assets. This is a part-time position. We expect you to be up to date with the latest beauty social media trends. This is a fun, trendy brand that works with influencers. You should have excellent communication skills and be in the know in all things beauty. You will work directly with our creative marketing team. Responsibilities. You'll be pitching timely topics, develop and pitch ideas in advance. Requirements. Passion and knowledge in the beauty industry / cosmetic products / lifestyle. Engaging a personable writing skills, excellent time management and ability to deliver content on time, solid knowledge of blogs, SEO, keyword research, hashtags, and social media platforms. In order to be considered for this position, you must submit examples and do a small writing sample. Thank you. So this is part-time. It pays $20 an hour. It does offer the benefit of 401k and 401k matching. The schedule will be Monday through Friday. And the application questions will be, have you ever written for a beauty industry? They prefer bachelor's degree, but again, it's preferred, not required. And experience, they will prefer 1 year blogging and 3 years of copywriting, but again, it is preferred, not required. And it is remote. So if you feel like you're the perfect qualifier for this particular role, we'll have the link right in the description below for you to apply right away. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have the best remote work from home daily just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.